Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be fitting these today. AliExpress special LED interior lights inside the box. You get a spare light and you get a license plate light, and you get this one, the front map light. And that's what we're going to change today. We're going to change this one up here, because this is what it looks like now. So yeah, it's kind of crap. So you take your little pry tool thing that comes with it and you shove it up into this. There's a little slot in there for a screwdriver, or you can shove this in there, and then voila! You pry it off, and there's your bulb. So yeah, take him out. Goodbye. And we take this one and we shove him in. But we're gonna have to go and put this little nibbly bit okay, I need two hands. Uno momento. Done. Shove that bit there and click him in. Perfecto mundo. Now I can actually see stuff. Huh. See the box. See my little pry tool. See down here? Pretty good. This GoPro's a bit rubbish at picking up, but yeah, it's so much brighter than before. That's super bright. So for £2, Mr. BMTxms LED interior lights upgrade kit is pretty damn good. Radio. Adios amigos.